This is Liberty stock number 51028. It's a Eldorado M75-1041, 3/4 inch by 30 inch stroke, serial number 1831. Serial number 1831. Equipped with an Eldorado F18 high pressure coolant system.
We good?
We're good.
Yep.
We're good.
As I said earlier, we got 3 sides to show. Documentation. Schematics are in there. It's all good. We got a stopper here. That all works. Main control, all standard. With the consolette off the lease and drive for the spindle motor. And switchgear. Free drive on top. The dynamic servo in the middle there, and the auto direct download of PLC. Currently running at 220 volts. Well, I've got it fired up as right now. Air system for the spindle, lubrication. Flow minder. Not much more on this side. That's about it there. And if you want to move on over to the high pressure coolant system, was it F18?
Yep, F18.
Yep.
Did I only say that once?
That and the serial number. Exactly. Inside, and internal looks really nice on this one though. It's been well kept. Miscellaneous on the basket back here. Some tooling, inserts, bushings, one tool, and of course the high pressure line that connects the machines.
Okay.
Yeah, not bad. So we'll do some things in manual and we'll run it up. Not much more to do. We get over here. In manual, I should be able to, well, let's feed first. When feed for this is where I forget and I leave it in midstream. Then we can't do a cycle. Here's wrap it up. It'll stop on the dogs. That's our whole cycle right there. And I can come up on the feed now at 300, which is really fast, but just to give you an idea. Let me come back and I'll slow it down as long as you're standing there. Let me come back. And here's 200, 100, and here's 10. Like I said, that's going really smooth at a really slow feed rate, which is important. So servo unit works nice. That said, I'm going to stop there, take it back, and you come back around here, and we'll fire it up and play with the spindle speed a little bit. Jog reverse, put that in home. Let's do the clamp cycle. Maybe I can get out of the way here a little bit. I'll hit the dual clamps here in manual, right? Yep. Four open, close, open, and close again. And I'll go to auto. I'll start it after the compressor shuts off. Works either way off the switch. If I hit cycle start now, if I get into auto, cycle start, I get it. We're running. You won't see it move much. I'm still sitting on 10, but I'm going to bring it up a little bit higher. There's 110, 210. I'll leave it right there. Then we'll run one more slow so I can play with the spindle speed. Okay, one more. Now I'm going to back up a little bit. Now if I just do it the dual palms and pump up, it'll take off.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure. Are we still in auto? Unclamp. We're unclamped automatically. And there's clamp. It takes off. It's all part of the cycle. Still at 200. And we'll do one more. This is at 1503. I'm going to play with this right now on the next cycle. And let me slow it down. It open. Let me back off to 10, and we'll clamp up again, let it take off, and I'm gonna bring it up. We're at 1503. Just gonna hit the up arrow. We're moving real slow, so we got time here. 15, 16, 17, 18. Go a little bit more. 19, 20, 22. This sounds nice. A little bit more. 23, 24, 25, 2606. Thing's humming. I'm gonna bring it back down now while we're still feeding. 25. Back down to 21. And 2,000. I'll leave it right there. We're still feeding. Let me jack it up a little bit. Get that moving. There we go. Let it finish off this cycle. We'll be good to go. Turbo's moving pretty good here. And you can watch the clamp open up from this angle if you want, yeah. This guy will pull back. That's it. That cycles nicely.
That's nice.
Yeah, we're all good.
That's great. Thank you.
Okay.